I'm not going to name and shame, but this is now the group photo of one of these like notebook groups for like camping or whatever. The thing is, it's good to look at, but it's completely impractical. It's like Katie Price 20 years ago. It's good to look at, but it's completely, you wouldn't want it for yourself. I'll give you a good example. You've got the great big traditional tent, which looks great if you're in a carry-on film 50 years ago. I'm not going to get into how much all this stuff weighs to actually carry it around, or the fact that all the wood was cut with a chainsaw. I've done forestry. But that is completely impractical. It's not going to keep out the bugs, the animals, the rats, the wind. It's going to fall over. The first bit of wind, it's going to fall over because you've got no protection in those woods. It's just completely impractical. Completely, totally, utterly impractical. The fire pit that he's got here, the area is also really bad, but also just the basics, like the fire pit he's got here. He's got it in a metal basket. He's got it surrounded by twigs. He's got a little metal thing in there to reflect the heat back, which is completely useless where it is, because it's not going to reflect it anywhere because it's an open area. A good example is a video I did recently where I did lunch, just, gammon and beans. But I've got some wet logs. I'll put those around the fire pit to reflect the heat back and stop it from escaping. That is just, it looks pretty, it's completely impractical. The thing he's got there for holding his food, also completely stupid. Any weight on that, if it is dead wood, and it looks like dead wood, it's going to snap. It's got the heat so close to those sticks that it's going to burn through. Half an hour, it's going to fall over and probably set a tent on fire. It looks nice, the aesthetics. It's just completely and utterly non-practical. And yet this is what gets put on the cover picture. Because people don't want reality. They want to have fantasy.